Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. This will be a most interesting and helpful video if you are using dual SIM on your iPhone. In this video, I will show you how you can instantly switch between SIMs for calling on your iPhone. Normally what we do, if you want to change a SIM for calling, we go to settings, go to mobile numbers or SIMs and change the default calling SIM, right? Or set a default calling SIM. But it's a long process. Now, there is a easiest way, one tap solution for changing the calling SIMs. Talking about a trick, it's very easy and simple. So do one thing, go to your dial pad on your iPhone. Go to phone, dial pad. And here, whichever SIM you want to set as a calling SIM, just do one thing. Left side top corner, there will be a blue icon. Just go ahead and tap on that. So basically, it is a SIM option given to you for calling on your dial pad. Just go ahead, tap there and choose your default SIM which you want to set. Okay, just do it, change it, and the next time and after that whatever calls you are making or doing from your dial pad will be outgoing from that particular sim. So that's the easiest way, one tap solution for this trick. So I hope you got this trick helpful. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, one request, please give a like to this video and subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.